friend, Levi here, and Janelle. And I'm super giddy this morning. Very, very excited because I get to go sailing with my wife today. And that's amazing. This is the first trip I get to do with Janelle on a sailboat again in a while.
I think the last time I was on a boat was like almost 3 years ago.
3 years ago. That's the last time Janelle sailed. So we're sailing with my friend Aaron. And I first met Aaron on a salt trip. You know those big old wooden boats that I've sailed on this summer and also doing a bunch of videos for? Well, Aaron worked for them for 2 full seasons?
4.
4 full seasons. What's your boat name again?
Sardonyx.
Sardonyx. This is gonna be awesome. Do you know where we're going? Do we have a plan?
We're gonna go that way.
That way?
That way.
Okay, we're going that way. We've left the Fraser, that's back that way, and now we're out in the Strait of Georgia. That's correct?
Correct.
Wind speed is like 3 knots coming from the south. You think we're gonna get sailing?
I sure hope so.
We're gonna set some sail. It's so peaceful.
Yeah, it's so peaceful. It's quiet.
It's like the best part. Shut the engine off and you're just like, ah.
That we're cruising.
How fast are we going?
2.3 knots.
Yes.
Woo! Nice work. We're sailing. You're annoyed with me. I love it. Don't put that camera in my face. I'm enjoying sailing. But anyways, we're having a lot of fun out here. Very thankful it's not raining. I thought for sure we would be just sitting in rain right now because that's kind of what the West Coast does, especially this time of year. But we'll give you our next update maybe when the wind starts blowing or we make it to that thing. Yep. When do you think the wind's gonna start blowing? You think it's gonna start blowing?
It said early evening.
We're at 5:45 right now. And it says early evening we will get more wind. I will update you then.
You know what? You said it's 5:45 right now?
Yeah.
I think the wind said it was gonna switch at 6.
Here we go, 15 minutes.
The countdown is on.
Countdown.
And then we'll race over there and wait until we can get through.
So is it too early to ask if we can buy a boat or?
Yes.
Okay. Aaron, can we buy a boat?
Yes, you can buy a boat.
Janelle, can we take Aaron's advice and buy a boat?
Ask our bank account.
Fair enough.
Reality.
Maybe work for a few more months.
Years.
No, come on. I think the ideal plan is find a way to finish an incredible conversion on the van. Once van conversion's done, do like an Alaska trip, Mexico trip, an East Coast trip. I don't know, just some trips, like the classics. And then acquire a sailboat to use, and then just rotate. Just do a month in the van, month and a half in the van, month and a half on a boat, month and a half on the van.
Like straight
3
from
months
van to
on the boat because it's the summertime. Pardon me?
Straight from van to boat?
I don't know. We could do a little bit of downtime in between. I don't know. It's kind of your call.
I think we need to talk about this.
Okay, we can do some downtime. We can do as much downtime as you need, babe. No problem. Look like you enjoy being alive.
Hey, we're moving again.
Nice work, Janelle.
Nice.
What's the speed?
1.5. 1.6. 1.7.
Update. Just ate some tasty chicken. How's the chicken?
Oh, so good.
And we're kind of just gently sailing in here now through Porlier Pass. We're gonna head into our anchorage tonight. I think that's where we're gonna end things for today. Tomorrow's looking really up for wind, so we'll kind of pick up in the morning.